Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. Alrighty, so we're going in with a new background for this video. I got these, they're like dental bibs off of Amazon, but I don't think I'll use them to record a video again because you can see like the writing underneath of them. So please ignore that for this video. But we're gonna go ahead and start with my full prep routine. I got a lot of good feedback on showing you guys my full prep routine in my most recent video, so I'm gonna try and include it more often. But starting off, we're gonna go in with a metal cuticle pusher. You can purchase these off of Amazon, and as always, the links will be down below. Now we're going in, and you want to really make sure that your cuticles are fully off of your nail beds. Your cuticles on your nail beds is one of the leading causes of lifting in nails, so you just want to make sure that they're fully removed from your nail beds. And notice I'm saying off of your nail beds, not removed. So it's a different thing for you to remove your cuticles than to push them and have them off of your nail beds. And what I'm showing you is kind of a little bit of both, but mainly just pushing them off of my nail beds. This nail file is amazing. It's a 2-in-1. It's one of those nail lamps, and the nail file is also on the inside of it. It's by MelodySusie, and I do have a discount code with them, and that'll all be linked down below. But I'm just using that and some drill bits to remove those cuticles off of my nail bed. Lastly, for filing, I'm going in with a sanding band. This is a fine grit sanding band, and all of this is also on the lowest speed possible. You want to make sure when working on your natural nails that you're not going on a super high speed. And I always go on the lowest setting possible and just removing all of the shine off of my full nail bed. Alright, so now for my prep routine, I'm going in with some nail dehydrator. This I purchased off of Amazon, and it's definitely one of my favorites. The link, as always, will be down below. But I'm just going in and applying these to my cuticles and also my full nail bed. Next, I'm going in with some Young Nails Protein Bond, and I'll be applying this the same way to my nails as well. And lastly, I'm going in with this OPI base coat. I actually purchased a set of the base and top coat from TJ Maxx. And they were selling sets of the OPI gel polish and OPI gel polish colors, like in general. So I'm not sure if it's still there. I got it a while ago. Alrighty, so for today's video, we're going to be using my almond short shape. This is one of my favorite shapes personally. I love the extra short nails, but sometimes I need a little bit more of length. So these are the longest almond shaped nails that I have in my Etsy shop. I do have almond extra short if these ones are a little bit too long for you, but for me they're the perfect length and size. Alrighty, so I'm going in with some alcohol. This is 70% alcohol, and I'm going in with a polygel brush. We're going to be using polygel for this video today. We're going to be using this Beetles polygel. I believe this was in shade 94. On the bottle, the little preview of the polygel color is like a purple color, and I have no clue why, because it's nothing near purple. It's this beautiful pinkish neutral bubblegum shade. It's gorgeous. It reminds me of MAKARRT Puppy Love and Rosalind Soft Pink Polygel. It's definitely one of my favorites, and I'm just going in with this polygel today and doing the same method I do in all my videos. If you're new here, all I really do is go in with the bead size amount, and I just apply it to my nails. I make sure that the tips of my nails are thinner than the cuticle areas. I'm sorry, I said that the wrong way. I make sure that my cuticle area is thinner than the rest of my nail, because you want to make sure that you don't have any polygel squeezing out on the sides and the cuticles. And if you do, as you can see here, all I'm doing is going in and cleaning that up with some alcohol and removing that before curing. And that's it. It's super easy. You can do multiple nails at once if you want to cut down the amount of time that your hand is in and out of that UV lamp. And as you can see here, I did that for a few nails, but another way is by flash curing. So what I'll do is go in after I apply a nail and cure for about 15 seconds, maybe 20 seconds, and then go to the next nail. That way, after I'm finished applying all nails, I can go in and fully cure. So as you can see here, I'm just making sure that the nail looks good from all angles. I do flip my nail upside down and make sure that it's flattened on the underneath after applying. You want to make sure that the underneath of your nails is not bulky, not only because it looks, choppy and messy, but also because it can create a space for bacteria and water and debris to stay stuck in. So you want to make sure that the underneath of your nails are flat. But as you can see, all I'm doing is going in now with a lint-free wipe and wiping my nails down. Alrighty, so I'm not actually going to show you guys what I did, but I just went in with a 8080 grit nail file and my MelodySusie file and cleaned up my cuticles and cleaned up my shape. And now I'm going in with some white gel polish. For this video, I'm going to be using the A-Press French Manicure white gel polish, but you can use any white gel. This one was just the handiest one for me, and I'm just going in and doing my designs. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'll just tell you guys all of the products I use, and then I'll just let you watch me work my magic. But I went in with this nail palette to the left. That's from Shein, and that's where I'm going to be applying my gel polishes. And then the actual gel polish or the nail art brush I'm using is from Shein as well. And that's all that's from Shein. My glitter rubber tip rhinestone applicator came with a kit I got, but you can purchase these off of Amazon. The A-Press gel polish, the white that I'm using, came from apress.com. And then I'll be using a rhinestone drill bit applicator to apply my bling. All of the bling in the rhinestone drill point applicator are from Amazon. And as said before, I'll be sure to leave the link down below. But before applying the bling, I am going to top off my nail. And as mentioned before, this top coat is purchased from TJ Maxx. It's a OPI top and base coat that I use in this video. As you can see here, it's another trick that I learned is wiping my nail sides before curing. It just helps eliminate the bulkiness on the sides so your nails don't look bulky. So as I mentioned before, this drill bit rhinestone glue gel and the actual rhinestones, all the stones are purchased off of Amazon and they'll all be linked down below. But I'm just going to go in and apply my bling. Alrighty, so if you made it to this part of the video, thank you. I am doing a $500 Amazon gift card giveaway. I want to say a huge thank you to Amazon for partnering with me and allowing me to give away 2 $500 gift cards to one of you lucky subscribers. All of the rules and information is here on the screen, and I'll also be sure to leave it down below in the description as well. Thank you again, Amazon, for this amazing opportunity. I love you guys so much. So definitely be sure to check out all the rules. And I did have someone say before, you know, it's not fair. I don't really have an Instagram, so how can I join? I just recommend making an Instagram account if you don't have one. You don't have to post anything or have any content on there, but you do have to have an Instagram in order to join this giveaway. Thank you again to Amazon and best of luck to the winners. Alright, so the last and final step is cuticle oil. I'm going to be using the scent Rose today. And as I say in every video, it does not matter how cute your nails are, your cuticles cannot be dry and crusty. So I definitely recommend trying these. I do sell these in my Etsy shop, and these are ultra hydrating, all natural cuticle oils made with dried flowers. And here are the final results. Like I said, I've been wearing these nails for 2 weeks now, and they still look just as gorgeous as they do here. I'm super in love with this nail design. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and thank you as always for all of your support, and I will catch you in my next video.